Modern vehicles require minimal amounts of anti-wear additives in motor oil, and emission requirements have removed ZDDP, which is short for zinc dialkyd ethiophosphates, and other extreme anti-wear additives in modern motor oil. These additives are crucial for most vehicles manufactured before 1986, since they use flat tappet camshaft and lifters. These components undergo very high pressures and shear forces at their contact faces. The additives prevent scuffing and galling at the critical points of contact in your engine. To help get more life out of your classic vehicle, Mr. Gasket offers Zinc Engine Oil Additive to give your ride that extra measure of protection that is not found in today's motor oil. The special qualities of ZDDP in Mr. Gasket's Zinc Engine Oil Additive give your flat tappet camshaft and lifters longer life and protection. It blends easily with most modern synthetic, petroleum, or blended motor oils for that extra peace of mind. The 4-ounce additive treats 5 to 7 quarts of motor oil, making it less expensive than racing oils that contain these additives. Ensure your classic vehicle lives a long life with Mr. Gasket's Zinc Engine Oil Additive. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mr. Gasket's products, visit MrGasket.com.